Racing just is started. We have 30 first to show quickness at the start. Finest material. Iwo Jima moving up on the outside. Tibay ng loob. Jet Setter Slim in the middle portion. And on the outside play the music. King Theodore moving up on the outside. Now is Lady Galore getting the white strip as they make the first turn, while Ilocos Magic is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have 30 by about 3/4 of a length lead. Iwajimo is right behind in second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Finest Material. Moving up Tibay ng Loob, play the music. Then next on line is Jet Setter Slim. Down on the inside is King Theodore. Then next on line is Lady Galore, while Ilocos Magic is still racing in less than at the far turn. We have 30 by about 2 lengths, and in second is Iwajimo. Down in third is Finest Material. Tibay ng Loob comes next. Moving up King Theodore. Down on the inside, play the music. And as they swing for home, we have 30, this time by about 6 lengths. Iwajima now in second, moving up down on the inside is King Theodore to take second. Last 50 meters, we have 30, and finally 30. Second is King Theodore, Finest Material, Tibay ng Loob, Iwajima, play the music, and Lady Galore.